Certainly. Let's delve into the secret power hidden within the story. The secret power in the story of the Laughter Club lies in the transformative and magical effects of laughter itself. While laughter is often viewed as a natural response to humor, in this story, it possesses a deeper, mystical quality. Within the enchanted forest, the Laughter Club harnesses laughter as a form of energy that can influence and shape the world around them. Their laughter acts as a catalyst, generating positive vibrations that ripple through the forest and beyond, touching the lives of those who hear it. This secret power of laughter has several profound effects. 1. Healing and transformation. The laughter emitted by the club has healing properties, both physically and emotionally. It acts as a balm for wounds, soothing pain, and fostering inner healing. Laughter becomes a transformative force, enabling individuals to let go of their burdens, release negativity, and embrace joy. 2. Connection and unity. The Laughter Club's secret power has the ability to bridge gaps and forge connections among people. It transcends language barriers, cultural differences, and societal divides. When people hear the laughter, they are drawn together, forming a sense of community and fostering a deeper understanding of one another. 3. Awakening inner potential. The secret power of laughter awakens the dormant potential within each individual. It unlocks hidden talents, boosts confidence, and encourages personal growth. Laughter becomes a catalyst for self-discovery, empowering individuals to embrace their true selves and express their unique abilities. 4. Manifesting joy and magic. The laughter emitted by the club has the power to infuse the world with joy and a touch of magic. It breathes life into the surroundings, transforming ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. The enchanted forest becomes a realm where the impossible becomes possible, and the mundane becomes infused with wonder. As the story unfolds, the reader gradually becomes aware of this secret power, realizing that the Laughter Club's activities extend beyond mere amusement. The true magic lies in their ability to tap into the immense potential of laughter, using it as a force for positive change, personal growth, and enchantment. Ultimately, the story serves as a reminder that laughter is not only a source of mirth, but also a potent tool for transformation and connection. It encourages us to embrace the power of laughter in our own lives, recognizing its ability to heal, unite, and infuse our world with joy and magic.